Welcome to our YouTube channel on jobs, career and discovery. The topic going to look today is profit and loss. So first of all, let's understand basic. So see here, you bought a bag. ₹800 and you sold it ₹120. You buy a bag ₹100 and you sold it ₹120. So you buy, it means this is CP. You sold, your selling price is SP. You bought only ₹100 and you sold it ₹120. So ₹20 each comes extra. So this is profit. See here, you bought a bag ₹100, ₹800 and you sold it ₹120. So this is your selling price and comes ₹20 extra. So this is your profit. If you bought ₹100 and your selling will ₹80, your selling is ₹80. So your 20 is loss because you spend ₹100 and you have now only ₹80. So you have minus ₹20. Minus 20 means this is loss. Am I right? See here, you bought ₹800 and you sold it on ₹80. So your ₹20 is loss. What is profit percent? Profit percent is SP minus CP by CP into 100. Your denominator always will be cost price, CP. SP minus CP. Here, once again, you bought ₹100 and you sold ₹120, right? So ₹20 comes extra. So this is a profit. You bought ₹100 and you sold it at ₹120. You have ₹20 extra. So your ₹20 is profit. SP, this is SP, this is selling price. SP minus CP. What is this? ₹20. So keep here ₹20 because SP is 120 minus 100. This is RS. 120 minus 100 is ₹20. So 20 SP minus CP is 20 and CP is 100. Here CP equal to 100 into 100. So 100 cancel. We have only 20. So profit percent equal to 20%, right? If you bought a bag ₹100 and you sold it at ₹80, so you lost ₹20. Your loss is ₹20. And what will be loss percent? So see here, what will be loss percent? Loss percent equal to CP, because CP is greater than SP. So CP minus SP. SP is less than CP because we have loss. See here, bag bought ₹100 and it is sold ₹80. So ₹80 is less than ₹100. So CP will be plus and SP will be minus. Okay, so CP minus SP, and always keep here CP on denominator. into 100. Listen me. CP is big, SP is small. CP is 100 rupees, SP is 80 rupees, and CP minus SP is 20 rupees because 100 minus 80 will be 20. So keep here 20 rupees. Okay, and CP always will be constant. So keep here 100 rupees. So 100 cancel. So your loss percentage 20%. Right? Loss percent equal to 20%. Question number 1. A person buys a book for Rs 200. A person buys a book for Rs 200 and sell it for Rs 225. What will be his gain percent? What will be his gain percent? So here a person buys a book for Rs 200. Buys means his CP is his cost price equal to CP equal to 200. And sells it for Rs 225. His SP, his selling price, he sold it 225 rupees. So this is again will be gain, this is will be profit. See here, CP is less than SP because SP is 225 and CP is only 200. So profit equal to SP minus CP because SP is 225 is more than 200, so SP will be here and minus CP upon CP. Only for profit equal to SP is 225 minus CP is 200. See here, CP is 200 and SP is 225. So profit will be SP minus CP. SP is 225 and SP is 225 and CP is 200. So our profit is 225 minus 200 is 25. So our profit is 25. Question asked to us, what is his gain percent? Gain percent means SP minus CP by CP into 100. Gain percent equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100. So SP minus CP is only 25, so keep here 25 by CP is 200, CP equal to 200. So keep here 200 into, keep same 100, here 100. 20 cancel and 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 remaining, keep point will be 10, so 2 5 ja 10. So gain percent equal to 12.5%. Right? Thank you for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe and share with your friend.